Actually, I'm very nervous to stand in front of the camera and I'm feeling so excited. I never thought that I'm going to do it today.
So, in total, how many minutes of content have you recorded?
You're the one who encouraged us, like those who are stuck in this kind of things. But when I came here, I was so surprised.
90 reels.
Yes,
Did you ever imagine?
never. You made it very easy for us. I should thank you so much. 5 or 6 reels, but somewhere I was stuck. I couldn't speak at all. I was becoming blank when the camera rolls.
Hey Pallavi, welcome to Creativerse. And can you tell me from which city you are from and how many minutes of content you have done today?
I'm from Mysore, Karnataka, the heritage city of Mysore. Actually, I'm very nervous to stand in front of the camera. That's where I was stuck. And you're the one who encouraged us, like those who are stuck in this kind of things. Help me to come out that fear which I had. And I finished all my 3 days courses and 3 bonus also. And I'm feeling so excited. I never thought that I'm going to do it today at one shot. It was like magic, really a magic. Teleprompt, I never heard about it. But when I came here, I was so surprised that this is the things which will help us, the people like me. And I loved it. I love this atmosphere and the ambience and your hospitality and your crew. All of them helped us very well, and I'm really, I don't know what to say. I'm feeling very happy from inside.
So, in total, how many minutes of content have you recorded?
90 minutes video.
Total in 90 minutes.
Yeah.
So, you have finished 90 minutes of content, which is equal to 90 reels.
Yes.
Did you ever imagine?
Never. Really, it's surprising for myself. Like, did this? How was it possible? Like, I never thought that I'm going to finish it. Somehow, no, it was so easy actually, but I felt it is very complicated. You made it very easy for us. I should thank you so much.
Thank you. So, before this, have you shot any videos?
No.
Never.
Never. Like reels, I did 5 or 6 reels, but somewhere I was stuck. I couldn't speak at all. I was becoming blank. When the camera rolls, I used to stay still. That nothing was coming to me, like what I have to speak. Then I stopped it. I never tried again. Only when I saw in Sid's sir's, that time you told everything about this, and I thought, let me give a try. I want to experience that how it will be. When I came here, you made it very easy for us. So easy.
So, Pallavi, what was the ridiculous reasons that you were giving not to shoot any videos before this?
Even I'm in search of that. Why I'm giving so much reason? Why I'm not consistent in making ads? Because some fear from childhood. I was not exposed. I'm from very conservative family, and I got very early marriage, and
What age did you get married?
I was 18 when I got married, and I have a grandson, 2.5 years old grandson. So that was something lacking for me because we were not exposed to anything. Actually, I'm a fashion designer, come makeup artist. I had a boutique, and I was very successful in my career. But after COVID, I have to shut it down. But I was not exposed to these kind of things. I was working behind the screen. But now, coming in front of the camera, it's a very big challenge for me. It's not easy for me. But today, I don't know how it was. It was so comfortable. I just went through it, and yesterday we practiced. So I felt it. I got little bit of confident after shooting 2 3 videos. I got confident. Now I'm ready to shoot any videos.
Yay! Perfect. Imagine yourself someone who is walking in a Bollywood set.
That is my dream actually. Yeah. I want to work in movies. Okay. Actually, I'm from film background. Like I think you have heard about Karnataka. He's a big star, Dr. Rajkumar. I'm his nephew, and Puneet Rajkumar is my cousin.
Okay.
So I, from behind, I've seen everything, like shooting everything. But I had that dream, but we are not allowed. Like women are not at all allowed in our. So that is somewhere lacking. It is my dream. I want to become a director and a producer and an actor.
Lovely.
That is my big dream, actually.
So, what would that blockbuster movie be called as? Anyone which is already existing also is okay. From Bollywood, from Kannada wood, or from Tollywood or Collywood, any industry.
Yeah, Kantara.
Kantara.
Yeah.
And if you're walking, what would be the background music be like?
Or it should be like that. Climax music which was in Kantara, because I'm very divine and I believe in God. So I want to make some kind, like I want to bring back that spirituality in everyone. There is a God. You should believe in God. That is my dream actually.
Wonderful. So Pallavi, imagine a woman like you, right? Because of COVID or something, they would have given up their profession, and they're thinking, should I spend now on another video shoot? Should I travel to Hyderabad? If someone like that is there, what would you tell them?
No, they have to come here, because this is the platform where we can expose ourselves and we can explore new things which we have not seen anywhere. I've never seen and I've never heard about these kind of platform anywhere. This is the first time and first experience for me that they should come here and experience this. And we can learn lot of things here, not one or two, but lot of things we learn here. Everything like personality development and how to speak, everything I can say, all over personality development.
So
That fear will go here
completely?
completely. I'm full confident now.
Yeah.
Now I can even act in movie without script. I can act in movies also.
Brilliant.
That confidence you gave us, because you pushed us and you empowered us that you should be like this, you should talk like this.
I challenged you also. Right?
Yeah.
So Pallavi, another thing that I wanted to ask you is, today you have recorded for a purpose.
Yes.
What is it that you want to tell those people?
I want to bring back my ancient wisdom, which is already gone half of the way. So I want that wisdom, like ancient wisdom, which is vanishing. I want to bring that back. I want to reach each and every person that you have to go through this. Like ancient healings, nobody believes that. They always go to hospital for instant gratitude, but these are like from childhood. If we adopt these kind of healing techniques, I think no one should go behind medicine. That is my mission and vision. I want to reach each and every person that don't go behind medications. There are a lot of ancient healing techniques which we can adopt, and we can live fullest life. That is my motion.
So to everyone who's watching this, Pallavi wants to bring back her ancient healing techniques, and let us all support her in that mission, because it's not just about making a video, it's not just about acting in front of the camera, but it is about making a difference in millions of people's lives, and that's why Pallavi has come forward. And let us all wish her all the best.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for that.